Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in your Wirex app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll to your homepage and then simply tap open your Wirex app. So once you have tapped open your Wirex app, you will end up in this page where you need to click on the login option. So after you have tapped on it, you need to enter your email address and your password and press on the login button. So after you have pressed on the login button, you need to now enter your PIN code or even open it by your biometrics. After you have done this, you will end up getting logged into your Wirex account. So this is how you log into your Wirex. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.